Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. This is part 4 on using the distributive property, and in this video we are distributing a variable inside of our parentheses. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's begin simplifying our expressions. Remember that in simplifying your expression, in this case, our x will now be distributed to our 3 and also distributed to our t. So this means that x will be multiplied to both of these terms inside of our parentheses. So x will be multiplied to 3 and then added to the product of x being multiplied to t. So x times 3 will equal to 3x. And remember that anytime that you multiply a variable and a constant together, remember that the constant, which now becomes your coefficient, will always be written first. And then we're going to multiply x times t, which will equal to x t. Remember, they're unlike terms, so we simply just combine those terms together. And because our 3x is different from our x plus t, this expression can't be simplified any further. So 3x plus xt will be our expression in its simplest form. Okay, so now let's apply our distributive property to this question. And remember that you can always feel free to pause the video to try and solve the expression for yourself. And then when you're ready, you can unpause the video and work out the question to see if you and I got the same answer. So c times 6 will equal to 6c. And c times p will equal to cp. And again, the expression is already in its simplest form, so that means that we don't have to work anything out any further. Now, I know you noticed for this question I didn't do the multiplication, but that's one of the beauty of knowing your rules, that once you know these rules, all of the extra working that you will usually do, you won't have to do them as you get better and develop your skills. So I hope this was very helpful to you, and I will see you again in the next video right here on Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.